Many people dream of financial freedom. They want to earn money without working a traditional job. This is the allure of passive income. It promises freedom and flexibility. But is passive income realistic, or is it too good to be true? This essay explores the realities of passive income. We will uncover the truth behind the promises. We will examine the work required and the risks involved. By the end, you will have a clear picture of passive income. You can then decide if it is the right path for you. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort. It requires little to no daily work to maintain. This is in contrast to active income. Active income requires you to trade your time for money. Examples of active income include traditional jobs and freelance work. Passive income is often associated with financial freedom. It allows you to earn money while you sleep, travel, or pursue other interests. However, the reality of passive income is more nuanced than it seems. There are many forms of passive income. Some popular examples include rental income. This involves buying a property and renting it out to tenants. You earn income from the rent payments. Dividend income. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can generate regular income. Companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other companies' products or services. You earn a commission on sales made through your unique referral link. Online courses and digital products. Creating and selling online courses or digital products such as ebooks or templates can generate passive income. Creating and selling apps. Developing a popular app can provide a stream of passive income from downloads or subscriptions. While the idea of passive income is appealing, it's crucial to understand that it's not entirely passive. Every source of passive income requires an initial investment of time, effort, and often money. For instance, buying and renting out a property involves researching the market, securing financing, finding tenants, and managing the property. Creating an online course requires designing the curriculum, recording videos, marketing the course, and providing customer support. The biggest misconception about passive income is the idea of set it and forget it. While some passive income streams require less maintenance than others, none are entirely hands-off. They all demand ongoing attention and management to remain profitable. Rental properties may require repairs, tenant management, or adjustments to rent prices. Online courses need updates to stay relevant. Affiliate marketing campaigns require monitoring and optimization to remain effective. Let's take rental properties as an example. While they can be a great source of passive income, they also come with their share of responsibilities. You'll need to find and screen tenants. Thoroughly vetting potential tenants is crucial to avoid problems down the line. Be prepared to handle maintenance and repairs promptly to keep your tenants happy and your property in good condition. Plan for periods when the property is vacant and you're not receiving rental income. Rental laws can change, so staying informed is essential. Similarly, online businesses, often touted as passive income generators, require continuous effort. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates, you need to consistently create high-quality content to attract and engage your audience. Driving traffic to your website or online course requires ongoing marketing efforts, such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, or paid advertising. Responding to inquiries, addressing technical issues, and providing excellent customer service is crucial for any online business. To stay competitive, you need to continuously update and improve your offerings based on customer feedback and market trends. The price tag of passive income. Many forms of passive income require upfront investment. This could be purchasing property, creating a course, or buying equipment. You also have ongoing expenses. These vary depending on your chosen method. These costs impact your overall profits. It's crucial to factor in all expenses when evaluating a passive income opportunity. The psychological toll of passive income. While passive income offers flexibility, it can also bring stress. Market fluctuations, unexpected expenses, and the pressure to maintain income can take a toll. It's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of more passive income. This can lead to burnout. It's important to find a balance and prioritize your well-being. Balancing expectations, effort versus reward. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires an upfront investment of time, effort, and often money. It also demands ongoing attention and management. However, the potential rewards of passive income are significant. It can provide financial freedom, flexibility, and the ability to pursue your passions. The key is to have realistic expectations. Choose the right opportunities and be willing to put in the work. Finding your passive income path. Passive income is not one size fits all. The best approach depends on your skills, interests, and financial situation. Thoroughly research different options. Consider your strengths and weaknesses. Start small and scale gradually as you gain experience and confidence. Passive income can be a rewarding journey, but it's essential to approach it with a realistic mindset and a willingness to put in the effort.